Hi students, this is Suchya teaching economics to class 11 and here I am with the 5th chapter of economics and the name of the chapter is Human Capital Formation in India. Have you ever thought why some people earn more than the others? Why is it that the doctors, engineers and such like earn more than the laborer, the farmer, the hawker and so on? So, in this chapter, we are going to understand this human capital formation and the sources of human capital formation and what human capital is all about. First of all, proceeding with the chapter, let me try and make you understand as to what is human capital. Let's break it. Human means the human beings, the people, the men, and capital means the wealth. So, the human capital in fact means the stock or the skills that are available at a given point of time. That is, at a particular point of time, the people who are skilled worksmen, the people who are expertise at a particular point of time form the human capital. Since they are an asset, that is why they are a capital, they are an asset to the nation. But the human capital means at a given point of time, together the doctors, the engineers, the scientists and so on. Then what is human capital formation? Okay. When we are doing what? We are doing the formation of the human capital, or in other words it means the process by which we add on to the stock of human capital over a time. That is, whatever human capital is available at a given point of time and then we are adding on to that stock, to that capital, that's called as the human capital formation. For example, say if in 2001 the human capital was 10,000 and in 2001 it becomes 12,000, then the formation which has occurred, which has come is of 2,000. So, the human capital formation which is adding on, which is actually getting added or multiplied to the human capital is called as human capital formation. Now, you cannot sleep over the time and then there is an increase in the human capital formation. We have to make efforts, and what are those efforts which we have to make? We will try and understand them.